Today we are going to discuss on the provision relating to filing of e-form MSME 1. As we are aware, Ministry has came with the latest rule on 21st January 2019 in relation to the filing of e-form MSME 1 by the specified companies. First of all, what is meaning of the specified companies? Specified company include every company, whether it is a small, public, private, listed, OPC, every company which have taken goods and services from an MSME registered vendor and made default of payment of more than 45 days to that vendor. So if a company, किसी कंपनी ने MSME रजिस्टर्ड वेंडर से कोई गुड्स या सर्विसेज ली है एंड 45 डेज में उसका पेमेंट नहीं किया है, in that case that company shall be considered as a specified companies. Every specified company is required to file e-form MSME 1. E-form MSME 1 is divided into two parts. One is a one-time return and second is a yearly return. We can say half-yearly return. As per notification, one-time return is required to file within 30 days of notification. That is from 30 days from the 21st January 2019. However, as per recent circular of the MCA has extended the date of filing this one-time return, and MCA has mentioned every company have to file this form within 30 days of availability of the form on the MCA website. Second is the half-yearly return. Every company have to file this MSME 1 form within 30 days of closure of the half year. Now, the second question, what is meaning of MSME vendor? First, MSME vendor can be any entity like proprietorship firm, partnership firm, HUF, trust, company, any form, whether an LLP also. So, any vendor, any entity which is registered under MSME is a MSME vendor. Now, who can get registered themselves under MSME? Only an enterprise which are under in the manufacture sector and enterprise which are under service sector can register themselves as a MSME vendor. But there are some conditions given on the MSME Act 2006. If vendor fulfill those conditions, then only he can register themselves as a MSME vendor. Criteria for registration is investment in plant and machinery for the manufacturing sector and investment in equipment for the service sector. There is no criteria of turnover for registration under the MSME Act. So we are clear, every specified company will file MSME 1 form within 30 days of publication of this form. Now the second question, if a vendor is falling under the limits of the MSME Act, however, it is not registered under the MSME Act. In such case, whether detail of such vendor is required to file in MSME 1 form? As per the notification or as per my view, definitely not required. Only we have to file MSME 1 for the vendor who is registered under the MSME Act. Otherwise, we are not required to file any form. Now, we are getting a question from the corporates and the professionals that in case of a company taking goods from any MSME vendor and enter into an agreement with the MSME vendor that they will make payment within 90 days or we can say 60 days. Then whether they have to make payment in 60 days, so we have to file this form or not. As per MSME Act section 15, if a company or any entities getting goods or services from the MSME vendor, in that case, if any agreement is made with them for more than 45 days, that agreement shall not be considered as valid. Because as per MSME Act, agreement can be made for maximum for the 45 days. Now we are getting a question, what are the consequences if a company is not file MSME 1 form? As per Companies Act, if a company fails to file MSME 1 form, then they are liable for penalty as per section 405 under Companies Act 2013. Second, as per MSME Act, if they have not made payment to the vendor within 45 days, in that case, company have to make payment with interest and interest shall be 3 times of the RBI lending rate. This is mandatory condition under the MSME Act. So we can say it is clear to us what are the consequences when we have to file the return and what are the other things relating to the registration and non-registration of MSME. Thank you so much.